Yeah, what's happening, YouTube? 8 o'clock in the morning. Fireworks are gone and sell on Aldi. So I thought I'd come and do a quick video, show you guys what they've got. Yeah, first off, same as last year, Ultimate Finale, $39.99, 132 shots. Then we got Let It Snow, fountain firework. Looks like they've gone with something from Frozen, Princess, and Let It Snow. Same as last year, Laugh Out Loud selection box, £99. Number one firework selection box, $19.99. Then you got the Big Show, rapid firing, 54 shot, $19.99. Pinky Blinder fountain, $4.99. Then Raging Raptor, that's what I will be picking up today quickly while I'm here for my son's birthday. Oh, shoe boy. Then we've got TNT giant gold sparklers, $165. Then we've got a compound TNT Terminator aerial multi shots, 160 shots, £60. Then we've got Big Boom, it's another selection box. Then we've got Space Race, oh Big Boom, sorry, is £60. Then we've got Space Race. Sorry guys. Ooh, sorry about that guys. And we've got Space Racer, $9.99. Airstrike TNT rockets, $19.99. Then Loud and Clear, they've gone up. I swear they've gone up this year to $4.99. Then they used to be $3.99 or $4.99 maybe. I'm not sure. I think they've gone up, guys. I think they're the smaller ones as well. And then last but not least, ready to go, $4.49 selection box. Now anything what I would suggest on here guys is Raging Raptor, like my son just pointed out. That's a nice cake for £10, you can't go wrong. And Loud and Clear shot tubes. They've gone up. I swear they've gone up guys. Alright, so that's Aldi's fireworks 2020. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification button. Have a good day guys. Cheers.